Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Dharamsati YouTube channel. Now I am going to do day 9 of spoken speech presentation video. We are in day 68 of the next year course. Today they taught about views, subqueries in DBMS and present perfect tense in the English one. All day and I have to write a jump all the topics. I will write it afterwards. Present perfectness that access going is used to describe actions or events that has started in the past and have been completed or an experience it uses as an have not a person content. Danish added additionally which has will have when the action has been done to something or someone by the something or someone else. The syntax is not plus as have plus verb form. Have not plus has have not plus verb form. Example: Roger has not prepared the tea. The guests have left the place. That's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel if you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. It gives motivation to do this sort of videos. Thank you for watching and